Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so for example this one. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to assign a photo to. So all we have to do is to tap on add picture or the circle, it doesn't really matter, and now we will be transferred to those sections. So we can choose something from the device photos, or we can open the camera, which is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. We can enter the gallery, Google Photos, which is basically your backup photos, and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, which means that you can use them, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of someone's whose contact you'd like to customize, or you cannot take a photo right now. So you can choose something, and I'm pretty sure that you will find something which resembles you of this specific person. As you can see, you've got plenty of options to choose from, so highly recommend. I'll choose something from the gallery, so let me tap on it. Let's find the photo. And now you can change the position of this photo. You can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. As you can see, it will immediately appear right here. So if you're happy with your choice, tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.